Now students, let us discuss this question. Here we have question number 25 and 26. But you have few directions for solving question number 25-26. Let us firstly observe what are these directions. So the direction states a class is to be taught 5 subjects: Hindi, Physics, Chemistry, Biology and Mathematics by 5 different teachers A, B, C, D and E in 5 periods, that is from 1 to 5. A teacher can teach only one of the periods and the following details are available about the teaching. So let us discuss these details. First is A teaches mathematics, which is not taught in the first period. Then physics is taught by D in an even number period. Further, chemistry is taught in an odd period and it precedes mathematics period. Further, E teaches in the first period and C teaches chemistry but not in the first or last period. And the last condition here is Hindi is taught in the last period. So students, firstly we have to observe these conditions and analyze the information based on these conditions. तो देखते हैं क्या है ये कंडीशन. पहली कंडीशन ये है कि यहाँ पर 5 सब्जेक्ट्स है जो कि 5 अलग अलग टीचर पढ़ाते हैं 5 डिफरेंट पीरियड्स में. तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे 5 टीचर्स हैं हमारे A, B, C, D एंड E जो कि पढ़ाते हैं ये सब्जेक्ट्स हिंदी, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी एंड मैथमेटिक्स. तो देखते हैं कौन कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाता है और ये हम निकाल सकते हैं बेस्ड ऑन दीज इंफॉर्मेशन. सो फर्स्टली A टीचर्स मैथमेटिक्स, यानी कि A जो है मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ा रहा है एंड फर्दर इट इज़ नॉट टॉट इन द फर्स्ट पीरियड, यानी कि A जो है फर्स्ट पीरियड में क्लास नहीं लेता है. देन द कंडीशन इज A इज़ नॉट टीचिंग इन द फर्स्ट पीरियड. So students, further it states physics is taught by D in an even number period. So here D is teaching physics in an even number period, so it could be second period or fourth period. Then further we have the condition which states chemistry is taught in an odd period. यानी कि chemistry जो अगर odd period में पढ़ाया जा रहा है तो chemistry could be taught in first, third और fifth period. And it precedes mathematics period, यानी कि chemistry की क्लास mathematics की क्लास से पहले होगी. अगर केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट पीरियड में पढ़ाया जा रहा है तो मैथमेटिक्स सेकेंड क्लास में होगी. अगर केमिस्ट्री थर्ड पीरियड में है देन मैथमेटिक्स विल बी देयर इन फोर्थ पीरियड. अगर केमिस्ट्री फिफ्थ पीरियड में है देन मैथमेटिक्स विल बी इन सिक्स्थ पीरियड, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल क्योंकि 5 ही क्लासेस हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये फिफ्थ पीरियड वाली कंडीशन वैलिड नहीं रहेगी. देन फर्दर वी हैव ई टीचर्स इन द फर्स्ट पीरियड, यानी कि ई जो है फर्स्ट पीरियड में क्लास ले रहा है. सो हियर ई इज टीचिंग इन द फर्स्ट पीरियड. Then C teaches chemistry but not in the first and last period. C is teaching chemistry and not in the first or last period. So here first period is already taken by E. So students, chemistry will not be teaching in the 5th period. So it cannot teach here in 5th period. So students, we'll write here that C teaches chemistry and C will not be teaching in the 5th period. So here you have first period. Here you have second or fourth period. Here you cannot have 5th period. Then the last condition is there that Hindi is taught in the last period. So Hindi is being taught in the last period. So let us get back to these conditions, students. A cannot have the first period, which is already taken by E. D can have the second or fourth period. Further we have the condition chemistry is taking either first or third period. Already first period is taken by E, so it cannot take first period. Definitely chemistry will be taking third period here. Chemistry is taking third period and here we have second or fourth period according to the condition that mathematics is their subject and chemistry precedes mathematics period. Chemistry is there in the third period, it means mathematics will be there in fourth period. And who is teaching mathematics? A is teaching mathematics in the fourth period. As A is teaching mathematics in the fourth period, students, here D cannot take class in the fourth period. So students, the only condition left for B is 5th. So B will be teaching in the 5th period, which is the last period. And according to the last condition, Hindi is taught in the last period. So here it is teaching Hindi. So Hindi is taught by B. Now let us get back to our subjects. Our subjects were Hindi, Physics, Chemistry, Biology and Mathematics. So A is taking mathematics in 4th period, B is teaching Hindi in 5th period, C is teaching chemistry in 3rd period, while D is teaching physics in 2nd period. So lastly for E will be teaching biology in the 1st period. So students, now you got the clear idea who is teaching which subject in which period. Now let us get back to this question number 25. It states, which of the following statements is necessarily true? So let us observe these statements. तो स्टेटमेंट कहता है आपको कि थर्ड पीरियड इज ऑफ हिंदी एंड टॉट बाय बी. क्या थर्ड पीरियड हिंदी का है? नहीं, ये स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल गलत है. देन सेकेंड पीरियड इज ऑफ फिजिक्स टॉट बाय सी. सेकेंड पीरियड फिजिक्स का तो है लेकिन इट इज नॉट टॉट बाय सी, इट इज टॉट बाय डी. सो दिस सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. Then we have third statement, fourth period is of mathematics and taught by A. So which is clearly true here students, fourth period is of mathematics and it is taught by A. So here students, answer will be the third option. And let us check the fourth option. It states fifth period is of biology is taken by D. That is incorrect students. So answer for this question will be option number 3. So students, we have here answer as option 3 for question number 25. I hope this question is clear to you and all the directions are clear to you. Now let us discuss question number 26. Now students, let us discuss the question number 26, which is following the same directions of question number 25. You have already solved the conclusion of this question based on these statements. So students, this question number 26 states which subject is taught by B. And options are physics, chemistry, biology and Hindi. तो आपको ये बताना है कि बी कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाता है. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं ए बी सी डी के लिए हमने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट करके निकाला हुआ है. बी इज टीचिंग हिंदी इन फिफ्थ पीरियड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी हिंदी एंड हियर वी हैव आंसर एज ऑप्शन नंबर 4. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर टू यू. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.